If you're experiencing inconsistent results with your CEM Smart 6, one possible cause could be a damaged window film. To replace the film, open the lid, locate the thick plastic film covering the honeycomb-shaped area on the roof of the lid. Pull on the blue tab to remove the film. Replace the film with a new one, making sure that the rubber lining is fully connected, similar to how a Ziploc bag must be fully sealed. Close the lid and run a few tests with our LIS standard solution. If there's no inconsistencies with these tests, run a normal sample test of your product. If there's no inconsistencies with the instrument, the issue is now resolved. If there's still issues, please contact us by email at info@lissci.com or go to our website and fill out a service request form. Thanks for watching. If you're in the market for a top quality moisture solid analyzer, balance, or scale, be sure to check out our vast selection on our website, lissci.com. We've got new and reconditioned options available to suit your needs. And if you've got any instruments that need servicing or regular scheduled preventative maintenance, reach out to us at info@lissci.com or fill out our service request form on the website. We look forward to helping you get the most out of your equipment. Have a great day.